Hello everyone! In this video, I'm going to show you how to apply for Wolt delivery work step by step. First, open your browser on your phone or computer and search for Wolt delivery work. Click on the official link that says Become a Wolt Courier Partner. The page may show your location, but the steps are the same everywhere. Next, click Apply Now. You'll see 6 steps in the process. First, apply. Second, verify your account. Third, introduction. Fourth, get the Wolt Courier app. Fifth, sign in your contact. And last, receive your delivery gear. On the application form, carefully fill in your details. Make sure they're correct because wrong information can stop you from verifying your account. Then choose your delivery vehicle like car, motorbike, or bicycle. Enter your delivery city, and if your city isn't listed, Wolt isn't available there yet. If you have a referral code, you can add it too. Once you complete the steps and Wolt approves your application, you'll be ready to start earning as a courier. And that's it. That's how to apply for Wolt delivery work. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.